In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Perplexity from browsing the internet. If you want Perplexity to answer without pulling fresh results from the web, this quick adjustment will keep it focused on its built-in knowledge and any files you provide. Start by opening your browser and going to perplexity.ai. Sign in if you're prompted so you have access to all the controls. The interface can shift slightly over time, but the placement of the controls we'll use is consistent across desktop and mobile. On the main screen, look for the plus icon. This is the button you use to start a new conversation or compose a prompt, and it's the doorway to the settings we need. On desktop, you'll typically find it near the top or along the left panel. On mobile, it's often near the bottom. Click the plus icon to open the composer. Inside the composer, find the area labeled Connectors and Sources. Depending on your view, it may look like a small plug icon or a text link right below the prompt box. Click it to expand a panel that lists the sources Perplexity can consult when answering your question. Here you'll see options like web along with other sources or integrations. The web connector controls live browsing. When it's on, Perplexity searches the internet for up-to-date information and includes citations from those pages. When it's off, it won't browse, which can be helpful if you're working offline, minimizing distractions, or you want quicker, self-contained answers. To stop web browsing, locate web in the list and click it to toggle it off. You'll know it's currently enabled if you see a check mark on the right side of the web option. Clicking it removes that check mark, which confirms that browsing is now disabled. If the visual state doesn't change immediately, give it a second and click once more. Sometimes the toggle can be a bit sensitive. Before you submit your prompt, glance back at connectors and sources to confirm the web option no longer shows a check mark. With web browsing turned off, answers won't include live links or pull from new pages, and you may notice responses arrive a bit faster. If you ever need live information again, return to the same connectors and sources panel and click web to toggle it back on. That's all there is to it. Open Perplexity, start a new prompt with the plus icon, open connectors and sources, and turn off web. Now you can control exactly when Perplexity browses the internet and when it doesn't.